Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create Google search ad. Before we go into the operational side of making Google search ad, I will tell you importance of Google search ad so that you don't miss Google search ad from your marketing strategy. Google search ad is the only ad which serve the high intent buyer. Let me repeat as this is very important. Google search ad is the only ad which serve the high intent buyer. What does this mean? Just imagine that you are a consumer and you want to buy a Nike shoes. Nike shoes in Pakistan. What you will do? You will go to the google.com and enter your query in the Google search engine. You will enter your query of Nike shoes prices in Pakistan. You will get the results of your query, like these are the results. This the results which you are getting. This is the Google search ad. So you have intention as a consumer, you have intention to buy planned buying. This is your planned buy. You want to buy Nike shoes and you are getting the results. Now this result is only Google search ad. There is no Facebook ad, there is no Google display ad, there is no YouTube ad, there is no Facebook conversion dynamic ad. Only ad which is serving the intention of consumer at the time of buying is Google search ad. This is Google search ad or search engine optimization. This is search engine marketing and this is search engine optimization. There is a separate video between the search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Search engine marketing cover Google display and number of other ads as well. So this is the only Google search ad. So we can say that Google search ad is the only ad which serves the planned buying. Rest all the ads, all the marketing campaigns are covering the unplanned buying. For example, when you are advertising on Facebook, when you are advertising on Google Display Network, on YouTube channels, so you are showing your ad to consumer who don't have intention to buy at that time, but they could buy. There are chances like this is good. Unplanned buying is good for the products which are less expensive, which require less time to make a final decision. Mostly cosmetics, latest dresses, they are covering in the unplanned buying. But if you are willing to be there at that time when consumer is really in the mind of buying, in the mood of buying, then this is the planned buying, and Google search ad is the only ad which serve the this objective. So let's go and we will learn how to make the Google search ad from the operational side. First of all, you will open your Google ad account. If you don't have Google ad account, and there is a video available on my channel Digital Marketing Eye. You can subscribe my channel Digital Marketing Eye, and there is a video about how to make your Google ad account. Go there and learn how to make your Google ad account. Click on this new campaign and you will come up with a new campaign here. Now the interface you will be like this will take time. As so this is the interface you are getting. These are the different goals: sales, leads, website traffic. Google search campaign only covering sales, leads and website traffic. Google search ad is not available for product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store and promotions, local store visit and promotion. Google search ad is only for sales, leads and website traffic. Means end of the funnel. Like just imagine my objective, the campaign objective is generating sales. I will click on here. This is the campaign type. There are other campaign type which Google are offering: display, shopping, video, discovery and smart. There is like video available on each article, on each video, like on each campaign design. You can subscribe my channel and you can watch display, shopping, video and discovery videos as well. Now at this stage we are covering only Google search campaign, and after this I will like what is the landing, what is the results, where you want the consumer to go: website visits, phone calls, store visits, or app download. I want them to visit my website. I will write down the website address www.fabricstore.pk, and then I will give a name to my campaign. This is Google search campaign September 21. I will continue it, start new. So first of all, you have to give the budget. This is the daily budget for your campaign. Like just imagine, I want to like spend approximately 10,000 per day for the Google search ad campaign. And what is the bidding strategy? There are two types of bidding strategy available. One is the manual, and the second one is the automatic. In the start of your campaign, when you are starting your campaign and you don't have enough keywords, you don't have enough statistics, enough conversion, you first use the manual manual, then you can use the automatic. In the manual, we will use the manual CPC and the optimized for conversion. Okay, enhanced CPC optimized for conversion. This means within the lowest possible budget, you are getting the results like conversion. You are getting that conversion. This is CPC, means cost per click. The when you are start getting results, you can switch from manual CPC to the maximize clicks or the maximize conversion. But after you are getting some reasonable statistics, reasonable conversion. Then click the mode setting, add rotation and conversion. What is in the add rotation? Add rotation, we are having two options: optimize and do not optimize. Optimize means as per Google machine learning, it will promote more to the ad which is doing well. If you let Google that it can promote to the ad which is doing well, this means optimize. If you are not allowing, you want every ad to be run equally, whether they are doing well or not, then you don't optimize it. But it is recommended that you use the optimize options. In the more setting, there is conversion. What is conversion? Conversion are events. Events means if what your consumer do in the end. My event is that consumer, when they will come to my website, if they will buy, then this is my conversion. Conversion mean my events. Now choose conversion action sets for this campaign. My conversion action set is purchase. I will click on it and I will save it. If you don't know how to create conversion events, then you can, again, I am saying, subscribe my channel. There are number of videos available for Facebook, for search engine optimization, Magento, Shopify, and Google YouTube related videos. You can watch all the tutorials. You can learn how to create events as well. Now I will hit next button. Now we have two networks available where our ad will show. Number one is the search network. Number two is the display network. First, I will uncheck all. Then I will tell you what does this mean. In this formation, like there is no Google search partner, no Google display network. This means your ad will be shown only on the Google search engine. This means your ad will be shown only on the Google search engine. If you are getting good results from the Google search engine, then it is good. Don't use Google search partner or Google display network. But if you are not getting good clicks from the Google search engine alone, then you can include Google search partner. There are a number of other Google search partners who are offering results in the search formation as well. But never ever use display network for your search campaign. If your objective, if your campaign is a search campaign, then don't use the display network, as the design of the display network is altogether different for the search network. This is a text based ad and this is the design based ad. When the text adapt in the design formation, it will kill your designs, and the consumer really dislike, annoyed. There will be a stage when the consumer start annoying with your ad. So don't use the display network. The third one is the most important thing is location. like if we are selecting Pakistan, or we are selecting a specific area, like just for example, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, and all these things. Enter another location. What I will do, I have two options, two methods available for location targeting. One is I will enter directly name of my location, number setting. Second is I will use radius as well. Now I will enter Lahore. Here I will target it. Okay, now what I will do, I will use the radius, like radius for there is a 20 mile, I will use it 2 kilometer, and uh, 15 kilometer. For when I'm targeting smaller cities, then I will use the smaller radius. ठीक है. For Karachi and Lahore, I will use the 20 kilometer. For other cities, for example, Islamabad, Sialkot, Faisalabad, I will use 15 kilometer radius. Otherwise, the result will be like will cover the outskirt of the given area, and you are not getting the good results. So I will just using 15 kilometer for the smaller cities, and for Lahore and Karachi, approximately the 20 kilometer are the full city. And hit save button. Then I will go for this campaign. I'm using the Pakistan. This is just for the sake of understanding. You should be familiar how we can use the radius options. Now, in the target option, we are having primarily two options: presence or interest, and presence, and search intent as well. But the most important is presence. What is the meaning of presence or interest? If you are selecting presence or interest, then it means consumer who have shown interest, presence, and shown interest in your target location, ad will shown to them as well. For example, if a person is currently in Germany and he has shown interest in Pakistan, then your ad will be shown to the person who is based in Germany, because he likes your target location. He shown interest in your target location. But if you click only this one, then this means people in are regularly in your targeted location. This means your ad will be shown only to the individuals who are currently in your target location. For example, my ad will be shown only to the individuals who are currently in Pakistan. Let the exclude from presence people in your excluded location. This is okay. Now language is English. Okay. Now this is the most important thing for every marketing campaign: selection of audience. So there are five type of audience we are having in the Google option, in the Google search, in the Google ad. One is the detailed demographic, second one is the affinity, third one is the in-market, fourth one is the remarketing and similar audience. And the third and the fifth one is the combined audience. This is the combination of the different audience. Now, let's review all these audience quickly. Who the detailed demographic. As you are having different ad sets, you can check different ad sets with the different audience as well. For example, in the detailed demographics, you can make audience based on parental status, marital status, education, home ownership, and employment. The most important is employment in this. The demographic I feel is that employment is the most important. For example, if you are selling a specific item and you want to hit only to the education industry, you can select it here. Like for example, I am selling ladies dress, and what I will do, I want person who are working in the education sector, for example female teachers, or in the healthcare, doctors, lady doctors. I want to target them. I can simply check these, and I can make an audience set of based on the education, based on the industry employments level. Similarly, I can use parental status. In the parental status, I can cover parents of infants, toddlers, preschools, and teens, and all these things. I can use the parental status as well. Marital status, I can use single, married, in relationship, education, home and ownership, and all these things. You can select based on your target audience. There is a video available how to use your audience, also on my channel. Please review that one as well. And the second one is the affinity. Affinity is bigger in nature. This means that the consumer have shown interest in banking and finance, beauty and wellness, food and dining. Consumer have shown interest in these items. Okay. Now, this is a broader audience. The third one is in-market audience. This is very, very important and very effective audience. How these are important? Like in-market means consumer are actively searching for different items. For example, they have categorized it. For example, consumer is actively searching for apparel and accessories. If you are selling ladies garments, then this is a good, you can hit this one, apparel and accessories. And in the apparel and accessories you can further filter it out, like for example, you are selling ladies accessories, then you can use woman apparel woman apparel here. So what does this mean? This mean uh, like consumer in this group, you are showing your ad only to the consumer who are actively searching for woman apparel. Okay, let me repeat. If you are selecting this group, this audience group, this target audience group, then this means you are showing your ad only to the individuals who are actively searching for women apparel. At the same time, you can show your ad to the handbags. If this means you are showing your ad to the consumer who are actively searching for handbags, there are high chances that the consumer, the women who are searching for handbags, they can buy your garments as well. So this is totally up to you how you can select. Either you can use jewelry and watches as well. You can use undergarments. You can use eyewear, formal wear. You can use multiple ad sets for making your target audience. This means you are this is an in-market audience, like consumer is actively searching. Whereas if you are using affinity, this means consumer have interest in formal wear. They might not be in the buying mode. You can use affinity audience only if you have a huge marketing budget. But if you have a targeted limited marketing budget, then it is recommended that you can use in-market audience. And then again, remarketing and similar audience, there we have different options available. Website visitors, all those who have visited your website. For example, all users of fabric store is my website. All known purchaser who have visited my website but didn't purchase, I want these to cover as well. And all purchaser, I will not cover them as they have already buy my product. Returning, like if there are high chances of repurchase, like return customer, then you can also select this one. I am not using at this point of time. This is again your marketing strategy. Similar audience. In the similar audience, what is in the similar audience? Similar audience means all those, for example, I am covering non-purchaser. All those individuals, all those who have visited my website but didn't buy, they have some characteristics. They have some then like machine Google, based on their characteristics, make an other audience who are similar to the non-purchaser. I can target these as well. I can also target who like to the all the visitors who are visited my website. No, all the visitors who are visited my website, and similar audience to the consumer who have visited my website. So I can select this one as well. This is a combined audience, like making a different audience set. After doing this one, if you don't know, if you have a specific audience, like ladies dresses, you can go into the search, dresses ladies dresses. You can go here, suit and business and attire. You can click also this one, and you can select different audience but related audience, theme based audience. Don't use irrelevant audience within the same ad set. You can make different ad sets, and you can test the different ad sets. Now we are having two options, audience targeting for targeting and observation. In targeting, you are showing ad only to these selected audience. But if you are use observation, then this means your ad will be shown to individuals who are similar to to your selected audience. So it is recommended to use the targeting audience. And but I am using for this campaign, as I'm currently running, I have already selected my campaign. and I am using the observations. More setting. In the more setting, there is a start and end date. You can click on this, and uh, you can specify at what date you want to end your campaign. This is a start and end date of options available in this option. Like this is a start date and no an end date, and you can click on the end date. For example, I want to end the campaign by the 30th of September. And in the more options, add schedule, you can schedule your ad. You want to run your ad all the day, or you just run the ad or in some segmented time of the day. In the dynamic search ad setting, this is important for the website who are having like multiple items, like more than 1000 items. Just for example, Udemy, they are having multiple courses, so it is difficult for them to. I am very much certain that they are using dynamic search ad setting. If but this is not for you if you are using if your website is not having a huge product ad sets. So, but there is a video available on my channel. You can refer that video as well. Now we will hit the next button. Now this is the important point for the Google search ad. I'm not using the default bidding strategy. We will use the bidding strategy in the end. First of all, we will learn how to create the keywords. I'm removing all these keywords. These are by default based on the website which I have given to them. Now I will learn how to create the keywords. First of all, we will go to the Google Keyword Planner. I will click this one, go to this tools and setting, and you will click on the Google Keyword Planner. Now you will get this interface, discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. You will hit the discover new keywords. In this, you are again getting two options, start with the keyword or start with the website. We will learn from start with the website of your competitor. For example, before I go into this, I would like to tell you how to segment different ad sets so that you can make a good ad sets. First of all, this is my website. I am making Google search ad for this website. I'm not making just one ad for all this website. This website have different categories: unstitched, fret, formal, and shawl. I will make different ad set for unstitched, different ad set for fret, different ad set for formal, and different ad set for shawl. That these might be covered in the same campaign, but I am not using just one ad set which cover all these categories. I am using different ad sets to cover these different categories. At this stage, I am using pet. I am focusing on pet category. So how we will make ad set for pet categories. Now, first we will learn how to create keywords. Like this campaign is for pet. As we are making ad set for pet category, so we will find keyword for pet category first. Now first we will use my competitor website and see what keywords they are using. For example, Safari is my competitor website, and I will go into their pet category. This is their pet ready to wear category. I will click on this and I will copy this link, put it in my website in the Google Keyword Planner, and I will use only this page, so that I will get the related keywords. Other, if I use the entire site, then they are having multiple options like woman, man, kids, beauty, accessories, home, style guide, and there are a number of categories within these options available. So I will use only the given ready to wear link, and I will start getting results. I will see what keywords they are using related with respect to the threat category. Now they are using Sapphire sale. First of all, I will filter these. I will filter and remove all the keywords which are using the Sapphire. The keywords doesn't contain Sapphire. Sappir is Sapphire, and Appir is Sapphire with spell different spell combination as well. So I am getting the different results, and I am make it ascending order. Dress, they are using the word dress, but this is not very much related to the pret. I am using the pret party wear, Kurta is a keyword which cover the I'm saying that which cover the ready to made category. So it has a high competition. This is a competition. This is a competition. The monthly search volume is 4,400, but this is a high in competition. It is difficult to rank in this keyword, so I'm not using this one. I am using the kurti. 2,900. This is also related to the bread category, ready to make category. This is having a reasonable monthly search volume 2,900, and completion is medium. And what is there? Top of bid strategy is 5. This means that what is the bidding you are offering for this keyword. So I am using the keyword kurti in my here, and I will mention it kurti, or go again and find the other keyword and find and one more thing, you have to see whether your country, the specific location is mentioning here as well. Like you can select your target location where from where you are getting the results. At the same time, you are also using the time framework, like from August 2020 till July 2021. Now I am using the this one and the other options which I will be getting. Okay, Pakistan loan, stitch dresses monthly search volume is 880, and their competition is also medium, and their top of bid strategy, top of bid top of page bid is 3.34. I am using this one as I'm also using this one, stitched dresses. This is how you are using like Google Keyword Planner uh, through your competitor website. For your competitor website, now I will use the start with the keywords. How I am using the keywords? For the keywords, I will type the up to 10 keywords here. Right, ready to make dresses, uh, stitched stitched dresses, RTW dresses. So I can cover up to I can write up to 10 keywords and see the results. What is their monthly search volume and all these things. These are present print stitched dresses. And make it from ascending order. I will remove all the branded keywords. Let me check it from the branded keywords first. So here are the results. I am getting stitched dresses with a monthly search volume of 880. Competition is medium, and the top of page bid is 3.34. I can bid for this keyword is 3.40 somewhere. I am using this keyword in my campaign. Stitched dresses, I have used it. Now the other keywords which I will use, ready-made dresses. This is also uh, low in competition, and the top of page bid is 5.0. I will use it here. Stitched Pakistani dresses online shopping. This is a long tail keyword. This is good, but this has a high competition. I'm not using this one. After this, I will use my other options. Stitch suit, but this has a very less per month searches. I can stitch suits. I can use it. uh, is their top of page bid is 4.80. So this is how you are selecting different keywords but within the same category. Kurti, stitched dresses, ready-made dresses, and stitched suit. One more thing. In my another video, I have mentioned that don't use the single word keyword. Use the long tail keyword. But I am using here the single word keyword as well. This is because the word keyword the word kurti is medium in competition, and they are not having a high monthly search volume. When there is a high competition and there is a single a word, then it is recommended don't use these keywords which are single word and which have a high competition. So I am using this one. After I use make them as a phrase match or the exact match. I'm using them as a phrase match. By if you don't use any phrase match or the exact match, then these are by default uh, then these become by default broad match which means uh, so I am using them a few of my keyword I am using them as a phrase match, and few of them I'm using as a broad match. For example, I'm using ready to wear dresses. I'm making them as a phrase match. There are three different types of the match type keywords. One is the broad match, second one is the phrase match, and third one is the exact match. If I try to cover all these three like with example in this video, it will become a very lengthy video, so you can use my other video covering this topic as well. uh, like for the sake of this video, I'm just moving next one. When you use these different keywords and you can give a bid, you can we know that the bid for these keywords is approximately low page bid is approximately 7 to 8. I am using 8 at this point of time, with 8 rupees per cost per click. Like when someone hit your ad, it will not necessarily you will charge 8. How much you will charge, there is a separate mechanics I have covered in my another video as well. When you are but for this video, when you are giving a bid of rupees 8 and your daily budget is 10,000, you are getting 2 clicks per day. uh, when with the passage of time you are start learning, and you will come to know which keywords are mostly using. You can add more keywords, related keywords in this ad set, and there will be higher chances that your clicks are getting more and more. After we are selecting the keywords, and then we will move ahead and we will make the ad. In the ad we are having 15 headline options and 4 description options. So first of all, we will make this one as this is my the landing page. I will copy it from here and I will paste it. This is the final URL. I will give the exact landing page of the pret. Now, over here, I will mention it, how it will look like. I will make pret. When I will make pret, it will come here. Like this is how it will appear on the design. And when you are using headlines of 30 keywords each, then try to cover the keywords you have mentioned here. You try to cover these keywords in your headline and the descriptions, and like start writing headlines. For example, best kurti in Pakistan by Pratt stresses. Okay, this should the limit is 30 character. Don't exceed the 30 character. Number one. Number two, don't use all the like don't use this type of word, all the character in a capital word. Google don't accept this one. Just only one word will be the capital and rest of the word are small in nature. Okay, doing this one, make 15 headline and then make the 4 different descriptions, and your ad is ready to go. One more thing, you can pin them. Like if you want to pin best kurti in Pakistan in the first position, always you can show only in the first position, means this this keyword always shown in the first position, but it is recommended don't use this one. Only use the recommended option, like which any keyword which is performing well, Google will optimize that keyword. So by doing this one, you are making ad when you are using different keywords. Like for example, I have used kurti here in this one, then it has become green. So start using all the keywords which you have mentioned in the keywords list. Mention them in your ad, and when you have given all the 15 keywords and for description, then your this one will become from ad strength will become from poor to good, and you are ready to publish your ad. Then you will hit it from click next. This is also very important. Extensions. In the extension, there are site link extension, call out call, and image extension. You can review my available video on this one. I'm for this video, I'm just using my existing already made extensions. How to make extension, I have already covered this in my another video. Please refer to that video as well. Now your campaign is ready to publish. You just hit publish button and your campaign is live. If you have any question related to the Google search ad, you can give your you can WhatsApp me, you can email me, or you can mention in the comment section. For any other Facebook related, Google search engine related, or Google display related, or YouTube related queries, you can WhatsApp me or you can email me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel Digital Marketing Eye. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.